buka heula terus teh kayak moderatorna Rahel.
Tang geus
Abis
nge-record.
Rahel kayak langsung ke
Apa mute
Atin.
apa
Mesti Atin. Nanti dia aing mah itu DL.
udah di-record, guys.
Namun sih pajar.
Berarti
Oke.
first speaker teh Atin, second speaker na Aleci, third speaker na Teh Nurul, fourth speaker Afarihan.
Sama Rapi satu lagi.
Jadi
5.
5 speaker.
Ya,
Farihan apa sih? Farihan.
Pak,
Namanya teh Farihan Rizky Fauji.
Arian Rizky Pauji.
Kalau satu lagi
sama
Asap itu
sama
saha. Rama
Rahmat
Araf.
Pratama, Muhammad Rafi
Sira-
Pratama
Si Rama
Putra.
mah udah.
Oh, Putra.
Muhammad Rapi
Muhammad
Pratama.
Rafi Pratama.
Dah, yuk.
Udah.
Recordnya pause dulu
Benar,
tuh.
satu lagi konfirmasi semuanya pakai sertifikat tidak? Nabi pakai.
Harusnya mau pakai. Kirimin.
Oke, Ai.
Teh Atin pakai. Aleci pakai tidak?
Pakai. Nih, di forward.
Teh Nurul pakainya?
Pak.
Pakai. Afarihan pakai.
Sertifikatnya bebas.
Bebas ya, bebas.
Pakai.
Arafi
Tin, kasihin ke Sipatin.
Bentar.
Pakai non? Sertif.
Bukan.
Tuh. Yang tidak berkepentingan silakan mute.
sudah semua? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us begin by expressing our gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His countless blessings. Thanks to His grace, we are gathered here today in good health and spirit. May peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, his esteemed family, his noble companion, and all of us who strive to follow his path. May we be guided by his teaching and attain success in this world and the hereafter. The Honorable Head of English Education Study Program, Mr. Bambang Ruby Sugiarto, MPD, the Honorable, our seminar on ELT lecturer, Dr. Ishak Said, MM, MPD, and the respectable all participants. Is it my pleasure to welcome you all to this enlightening event under the theme Exploring How the Role of English Songs to Enrich Students' Vocabulary. On this occasion, I am Siva Alia as the Master of Ceremony will guide the event until it is over. Before we begin, let me share the schedule of our programs today. First is opening and welcome. Third, material deliver session by the speakers. Third, discussion or question and answer session. Fourth, certificate submission and group photo session. And fifth, closing. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we begin, please be cooperative because there are several things that needs to be considered during the event. First, make sure the camera is always on because this webinar is recorded. And make sure the microphone is in the mute position during the event, except when invited to speak. Second, use the raise hand or chat feature to ask questions. And the third one is don't forget to stay with the event until the group photo session at the end of the webinar. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with the first event, which is the opening. And let us open this event together with reaction of Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, now we are entering the main session, namely the presentation of material by the speaker. To guide this session, let me introduce our moderator, Rachelia Irawan. To Rahel, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Miss Siva Alia, for this special occasion in this moment. My name is, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahelia Irawan, who will be the moderator in this webinar. That will be present but by our amazing speaker Atin Parhawati. She is a third grade student in Universitas Galuh. And then the time and screen is yours. Miss Atin Parhawati, please.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to attend this webinar. Before the material, I want to introduce myself again. My name is Atin Parhawati. I'm from class 3A. In this occasion, I want to describe the proposal seminar on ELT entitled Exploring How the Role of English Pop Songs to Enrich Student Vocabulary. And without further ado, let's go straight to the first slide. Okay, the first slide is table of content. Chapter A, introduction, the first background of the study. The second question, the third objectives of the study. Chapter B, review to literature. Chapter C, research gap. Next slide. Next slide, please. Okay. The next slide is background of the study. Mastering English requires a complex process, of the which is vocabulary acquisition. Clouston 2013 mentioned the vocabulary is the core of English language teaching. Without sufficient vocabulary, students find it difficult to understand others and express their ideas. Vocabulary deficiency also affects the development of respective listening and reading and productive speaking and writing skill. Okay, the difficulty increases when students have to learn several languages at once, such as their mother tongue, the first language Indonesian, the second language, and English as a foreign language. Therefore, varied and creative learning methods are needed, including the use of media such as songs. According to Redmi-Ningsih 2016, songs as learning media can improve student vocabulary because they are fun and easy to understand. The next slide. Next slide, please. Okay, the next slide is research question. The first question is, what is the role of English pop songs in improving understanding of the context of word or phrases in English? The second question is, do students more easily remember new vocabulary acquired from English pop songs compared to other vocabulary learning methods? The third question is, how do students perceive the use of English pop songs as vocabulary learning media? Next slide, please. Okay, the next slide is objectives of the study. The first, examine the role of English pop songs in improving the understanding of the context of word or phrases in English. Second, compare the effectiveness of English pop songs with other vocabulary learning methods in helping students remember new vocabulary. The last, analyze student perception toward the use of English pop songs as vocabulary learning media. The next slide is review to literature. 2.1 vocabulary. Learning and extensive vocabulary in the target language is an important component of language learning. Vocabulary plays a significant role on foreign language learning. The most effective technique for increasing vocabulary knowledge are still a debate, depending on the need and effectiveness of the vocabulary for the learner. There are two main categories of vocabulary: learning accidental and intentional, deliberate, Ansen et al. 2013. Using English song lyrics is one of the vocabulary learning methods. Explain that by using English songs, students understand and memorize new vocabulary more easily. Songs makes the learning process more fun. Students can easily remember a new word. In addition, finding the meaning of foreign vocabulary to song lyric helps students understand the meaning of the word either by asking other of using a dictionary. The next slide is 2.2, the effect of songs on student vocabulary development. Songs help students remember new vocabulary through repetition while motivating them to learn the meaning and spelling of words in the lyrics. As a learning medium, songs make the learning process more fun and less boring. In addition, students often spend time outside the classroom to understand the lyrics and their meanings, which indirectly enrich their vocabulary. However, research show that the utilization of songs in vocabulary learning in the classroom and really done optimally. That right use of songs can help students, especially at the high school level, become more focused and active in the learning process. Engaging songs not only prevent boredom but also encourage student concentration and engagement during learning. Okay, the next slide is research gap. Next slide, please. Okay, the last slide is research gap. While many studies based on the personal experience of research focus on the effective role of song media in helping to improve vocabulary acquisition. However, not many researchers have conducted research on the support of English songs in improving vocabulary acquisition in high school students. This gap is important because choosing the right songs will increase student vocabulary more quickly. Therefore, the hope of this research is to see how the impact and perception of the use of English songs affect vocabulary in teenagers. Research and literature review were carried out by surveying various scientific sources such as a journal article on related issue. The chosen method is able to provide an in-depth understanding regarding the perception of the use of English songs and vocabulary learning. Okay, I think enough the material.
Okay, that was amazing material from Atin Parahawati. So before the session end, let me give you an appreciation. Wait a minute. Maybe the host can share the certificate because I couldn't attach the picture. Okay, so the material session has ended, and I will be give the time to back to the master of ceremony, Sifalia. Would you like, please? Miss Sifa, for the next speaker.
Okay. Okay, first of all, thank you very much to Atin Farhawati for the amazing presentation. Now, without any further ado, let me call the second speaker with the same moderator as before, Miss Rachel, please.
Okay, for the next speaker would be delivered by Lesiandro Draga. He is also a third grade of Galus University English study program. And the material will be delivered by now. So Lesiandro Draga, time and screen is yours.
All right. Thank you for Rahelia Irawan for giving me the time. Okay, so this webinar, me will be delivered about enhancing listening skills through English music and podcasts on Spotify, a creative approach to language learning. For the next slide is introduction. Listening is crucial for language acquisition, especially in learning English as foreign language or EFL. Traditional teaching methods often lack real-life listening scenarios, so music has emerged as a creative alternative. Music exposes learners to language patterns, stress, rhythm, and intonation, helping them internalize pronunciation and adjust to natural speech. It also introduces diverse accents and linguistic features, making listening tasks more dynamic and engaging. For the next slide is literature review. Listening is crucial for English as foreign language or EFL acquisition, and music serves as creative substitute. It exposes learners to language patterns, stress, rhythm, and intonation, adding frequency to listening exercise. Digital platforms like Spotify are gaining interest for enhancing listening comprehension in English. Listening aids in the development of others' abilities, but is difficult due to auditory processing and contextual awareness. Despite its importance, listening is still a challenging aspect of language learning. And for the research question, first, how does the integration of music and podcasts on Spotify enhance EFL learners listening skill? Second, what are the specific features of Spotify that contribute to the improvement in EFL learners? Third, how do learners perceive that use of English music and podcasts on Spotify as a medium for language learning? Fourth, in what ways can Spotify be utilized effectively in both classroom and online learning environment to foster engagement and collaboration in listening exercise? And for the research gap, the study aims to address that gaps by investigating how music influence listening comprehension in both traditional and online learning contexts and examining its potential to foster collaborative learning. The next slide is, that's it. That's all from me. Thanks for the participant to attend this webinar. So for Rahel Irawan, time is yours.
Okay. Thank you for the amazing material, Mr. Lechi. For the next session, it would be a question and answer that will be asked by the participant. Please, some of you, may you ask some question to Mr. Leci or Miss Atin. If you have a several question, please deliver it.
I want to ask question for Miss Atin.
Sure.
Okay. In your opinion, is the method of using songs to increase student vocabulary very effective?
Okay. Its answer is of course. The use of songs media can be very effective in increasing student vocabulary, especially in learning English because songs are often listened to repeatedly so that the vocabulary in them is easier to remember without feeling boring.
Is that enough, Miss Nurul?
Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
Okay, next question, please. Nggak usah.
I want to ask Mr. Lesiano Draga. Is more effective to listen podcast or song in your opinion to improve your listening skill and explain why?
Okay, that's a nice question. Thank you, Farihan, for giving me the question. Okay, so in my opinion, music is more better than podcast. Why? Because I think music uh, can help the listener to to make to make their have an happy mood. If we listening to podcast, I think for the beginner it's very hard because maybe the speaker is use of native big maybe the speaker use native speaker or British accent. So for the beginner listener, there will be hard more than the listening to the song. Okay, that's it. Is that enough, Farihan?
Enough.
Farihan.
Enough.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so the question and answer session has been end. For the next session, it's photo session. So to everyone who's joined this webinar, please on your camera. Turn on your camera, please. To Raffi. One, two, three. Screenshot it, please. Okay, is it done? Okay, so without any further ado, for the master and ceremony, Siva Alia, please close this special occasion. Time and screen is yours.
Okay, thank you so much to Rahelia Irawan for guiding the session, and thank you so much to Atin Parhawati and Lecia Dodraga for giving a really good presentation. And ladies and gentlemen, finally, I am Stivalia as the Master of Ceremony would like to take my leave. See you at the next event. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ini
Dah.
di offin dulu
Ya.
ya. Udah 7 menit
Ya,
lagi,
matiin
coy.
dulu ya. Record
Siapa
na.
yang gue di sini pengen makan tuh. Siapa yang bisa share screen?
Salah ya,
Kalau record
kumaha
matiin dulu, Nurul.
matiin aku maha. Maksudnya
Matiin
kasimpen,
aja.
kasimpen tuh
Iya,
Simpan,
recordingnya
sok.
udah matiin aja.
Matiin dulu.
pencet stop recording.
Ya,
Heeh.